Hello guys. Hi. Good afternoon, good morning, whatever time you guys are watching this. Today we're going to be talking about again the Cash Building System Unlimited. And I have an update. There have been some changes with the Cash Building System Unlimited due to some unfortunate events. JT, who is the creator of CBSU, had his account hacked. Someone hacked his account, and therefore he will no longer be issuing checks through the mail, which basically means he will no longer be accepting payments online and only accepting sign-ups through the mail like he originally started. I want to be upfront and transparent to let you know about anything that changes that's going on. I just happened to come across this information from another a Cash Building System Unlimited member who is still thriving, still making money through the mail the way I feel like, maybe it was just the way the business was intended to be run. Um, Signing up through the mail, which is really it's a little bit of a setback, but not really. Only thing I can say is that when things like this happen, what you do is you pivot. You figure out how to keep pushing forward and just not give up. Okay. The question is, will I still be marketing online? Absolutely. The only thing that's going to change is that I would no longer be um, pushing the fact that you can sign up online, because as we know, as of right now, that is no longer available. So basically, when you go to my website that you can find in the description box below, you will scroll down until you get to this section that says, click here to join by mail. Once you click this button, you will come to this page. Okay, all you have to do is print this page out, okay, so that you can sign up. And I will tell you this, guys. If you guys don't have a printer or anything like that, what I am going to do moving forward, I am going to be setting up another website as well as opt-in form if you choose to, or you rather have me send you the postcard that you can fill out yourself and mail back. I can do that as well. That is absolutely no problem if you want to do it that way if you don't have a printer. But you will have to fill out the form online so that I can have your name and your address so that I can send you the postcard so that you can sign up. So I will be doing that. I will be creating that through Canva. Um, Here's the only difference um, when you go to the website, it will only focus on the mailing aspect of the business. Like I said, which is what the business is all about anyway. It's about mailbox money, making money through the mail. Like I said, if you can put a stamp on, put a label on the postcard or envelope or however you choose to do it, you can do this business. Okay? Something you have to think about is when you decide to become an entrepreneur, you will be faced with a lot of issues that will deter you from your success. And the part that lets you know if this business is for you is if you know how to pivot and figure out, okay, what do I need to do to keep going? Instead of just saying, you know what, forget it, I quit. I'm discouraged that this is not working. I knew something was wrong. It's the first thing people say, oh, I knew something was wrong. No, nothing's wrong. This is a part of life. This is a part of business. Being an entrepreneur is learning how to figure out problems. That's what an entrepreneur is. When you're able to help someone figure out a problem, figure out an issue, um, that's what makes you a good entrepreneur. Okay? So, what's next? What I have decided to do is that I am no longer going to be sending out the postcards here. Did I lose some money on these? Yes, I did, but it's okay because guess what? I'm gonna figure out how to cover up that old email. That old website. I'm gonna create a sticker and print it out and put over that for my new website that you can go to and uh, sign up online if you want to and still mail those out. Right now, I have put a halt to mailing those out. I am only going to continue to mail the original cards that you get from JT Marketing, which actually, guys, is so much more affordable. It's so much cheaper um, to get these cards and market. The price of them is you get a really good price. Let me see if I have a. Give me one moment. I'm going to see if I have a flyer for that. Hold on. Okay, guys. So sorry for that delay. I could not find. I thought I had a picture of it, but I guess I actually don't. I would have to print out another copy, but just to let you guys know, it is so much cheaper um to order through him. As a matter of fact, I think for $25 you get 200 postcards and you can get 200 leads, and I think that that is a great deal. Um, what I'm also going to put together, and let me know if you need any of this stuff. I can put together an entire PDF to let you know where to get the discounted postcards. I mean, to give you the flyer, to get you the discounted postage that you're going to be using. So it is still very affordable. Um, I still believe that building a YouTube channel is a great option for your business because at the same time you are building another platform and another business while you are marketing this business as well. The only thing is that you really want to emphasize that you can only join through direct mail and through the postcard, no longer online. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to create a totally different website that clearly focuses on downloading the sheet and printing out so that you can sign up by mail. So that's the biggest update for now. Nothing has changed. The business is still strong. But it's very unfortunate that people feel that they have a right to hack someone's account and go into their bank account and steal money. They could have just as easy uh, signed up for this business and worked the system and got the money themselves, but they felt that it was just easier to steal. So that's unfortunate, but it's okay. Karma is, something else. So until then, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the link in the description box below if you are ready to start making money to have that retirement cash. Um, Again, click on this link to join by mail only. Make sure that my number is on there, 2711. I will be your sponsor. And until the next time, guys, I'll see you then. Have a great day. Bye.